Welcome back to Iron Sports. Jamaica's 55-member team was named for the World Athletics Championships in Doha, Qatar on Wednesday. The team comprised of 30 females and 25 males, looking to better the 4 medals garnered at the 2017 staging in London. Now, Olympic and World Championship medalist Sharon Simpson joins us on set to dissect the team that has been selected and to look ahead as to what we can expect in Doha. Sharon, welcome back to Iron Sports.
Thank you, Jeremy.
It's been a while. You're home now. All right, your overall view on the team that has been selected.
I think that Jamaica has selected a pretty strong team going into Doha, and I do think that we're going to do very well, better than what we did in 2007 in London, 2017 in London.
Better in respect of the females, the female team or the male team?
Female, definitely.
Yeah.
And on the male side, a little better. You know, Usain got the bronze medal, Omar got the gold. So I do expect 2 more medals from the male team, but much more from the female team, because in 2017, Rista got the bronze medal and in the 400-meter hurdles, and we got the bronze in the 4x1 relay. So I'm expecting more on the women's side. Yeah,
and looking a bit closer now at the women, is it in the sprints you think that we'll get those medals, or across the board? Someone like Natoya Gould, can she surprise and get a medal in the 800?
Yes, she can surprise us, but expecting medals definitely from Shelly and Elaine. Shanika Ricketts also in the triple jump, I'm looking for her. And Danielle Williams in the 100-meter hurdles, you know, definitely looking for a medal from her. Yes, I think in the sprints, you know, 2 medals from Shelly and 2 from Elaine. And we will definitely surpass what we did in 2017.